Noodla.
Nutella?
Noodla.
Noodla? What? Well, let's find out how other people pronounce it. We're ambushing Ray right now to find out how she says this product. Ray, how do you say it?
In the creepiest way.
In the creepiest way. We're not creepy. Are we?
It's Nutella. Nut. N-U-T. Nutella.
Nutella.
But is
All
it?
right.
Okay. All right, so we've invaded our boss's lunchtime. Nice sandwich, by the way.
Thanks.
It looks really
You know what
good.
it's missing is some Nutella.
Well, there you go. You just
All
said
right.
it for us.
All
We
right,
don't even have
fair
to
enough.
ask. You want,
All right.
you want some of there on your cheese and your
I'll just
tomato?
dip it in. Can I dip it?
Sure.
I'm a double dipper, though.
No, thank you. I think we're going to get in trouble at work for harassing everybody, but Karen, how do you say this?
Nutella.
We'll carry on with our HR issues later.
I think our goal is to make everyone feel awkward at work.
I'm
AKA.
awkward. Where am I supposed to look? Okay.
Or here. How do you say this?
I know. Well, it says Nutella. I say Nutella, but I heard the proper way is now the wrong way. So,
Fair enough.
I think the proper way is the wrong way, but I say
Nutella.
Nutella.
All right.
Thanks for letting us invade your space.
It's not new.
Are we going to get in trouble? Are you going to report us?
We're good.
No.
So it turns out that the word is actually Nutella.
That's right.
Nutella.
It's time to make some Nutella sandwiches.
Nutella.
Nutella. I'm still going to call it Nutella. Can't teach this pony new tricks.
Is that how that saying
I
goes?
don't know. Probably not. You know what? It's nap time.